So how do you change the time zone on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. Well, the Apple Watch is the extension of the iPhone, right? So it cannot work without the iPhone. And it will also display the time set on the iPhone. So in order to change the time zone, we don't do it on the watch, we do it on the phone. And in there, we go to the settings, then the general section, and of course date and a time. So I personally have it set to the automatic option, so I don't really worry about it at all, even if I travel. But you can uncheck that and choose the time zone by looking up the place where you want to switch it to. So this will change it for your iPhone, but naturally the change will also be reflected on the Apple Watch, right? So that's like the cool thing about it. Those devices are like connected deeply. However, if you want to adjust the minutes, not the hours entirely, but only just a few minutes, you can also do that from the watch by going to the settings and then checking out the clock section. And a part of the clock section, we have like the plus minutes section. So you can tap on it and literally change the time of the watch by adding a minutes, right? So it's kind of unusual if you ask me, but you have the ability to change the time. Like if it's 1 p.m., you can bump it up to like 1:30, right? It's not going to be the correct time, of course, but it's going to be the display time. So you have that option if you really wanted to do it, but the time zone can be set up like that. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely stay tuned by subscribing and you're not going to miss the next videos and tutorials like this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.